I remember 4 years back, I went for my job interview. After finishing my graduation, I was so excited, so thrilled to go and apply for a job because I was technically equipped and academically well established. I went for the interview. For me, it went well. While waiting for the result of the interview, I was blatantly told by the HR of the organization that just because of my poor communication skills, I cannot qualify. It was a shocking moment for me. For the very first time in my life, I faced, or rather encountered, failure. While I came back home, I looked upon the gleaming faces of my parents. They were desperately waiting for me to reveal the result. Well, my father sneaked in that I was quite sad, but still I managed to settle in. Well, they are parents and they know, they understand how we feel. But on that very same day, I decided that I should learn English communication skills. I should learn in such a manner that not only I can help myself, but I could also be able to provide my assistance to the people who look forward to improve their skills. During these last 4 years of journey, I went through so many of ups and downs. And during these 4 years, I discovered some baseline principles which you can use or anybody can use to improve on their English communication skills. On this Saturday, that is on 12th December 2020, I will be conducting an hour of workshop where I'll be meeting all of you and I'm going to share my experience. If you are someone who is looking for improving his communication skills, then this is a must attentive workshop. Believe me, it's not the vocabulary or grammar which is important, but what is important is the psychology. There are some baseline roots where if you could focus, you too can become a confident English speaker. So join me on Saturday and let's sit together. Being a student of English learner, I would be happy to share my realizations so that you can also get the benefits out of it. This side English Times signing out until we meet again. Thank you.